What's going on, you guys? So today I sat down and I was like, I'm gonna record a video because I need to record a video, but I don't know what to record. So I sat down here with this palette and this palette and this palette. And I was like, I don't know what to do. So I just grabbed a brush and I started going in, and this is what happened. And then I threw on the lips, and this is where I'm at in life. So yeah, I guess I'll just get right into it. And here we go. Okay, so first I'm going to use this big fluffy blending brush that I always use for my transition shade. I'm going to dip into the shade Lure from the Prism palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And that's just going to go right up in my crease as my transition shade. And using an M505 brush by Morphe, I'm going into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to go into this purple shade. I'm not even going to dust it off. I'm just going to go in, and this is going to be my crease color. Using an M575 brush by Morphe, I'm going back into the Prism palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm dipping into the shade Parallel. And this is just I'm gonna focus this on the crease in the outer corner here. Alright, and then using an E27 brush by Morphe, I'm gonna dip into this purple shimmer shade and this blue shimmer shade, and this is from the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. And I'm gonna focus that kind of right in this area. Okay, so I'm actually just using more of that blue shade because I'm liking the way that it's standing out. Using that M575 brush that we used with the shade Parallel, I'm going to dip into Obsidian and Osiris, kind of mix the two together on the brush, and I'm going to focus this right here on the very outer corner. dipping into the shade Lucid. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid, where I don't really have any color yet. And because Dimension is such a pretty shade and I can't stay away with it, using that same brush, dipping into here. And I'm just going to keep that right here to help blend that blue and silvery color together. And then actually, to make this more vibrant and to stand out more, I went in with this Profusion. It is a metallic liquid eyeshadow. I picked this up at Target. This is what it looks like on the hand. Whoa. It's very reflective. So it looks like on the hand. And then I just used that packer brush and I blended it in a little bit. And then I went back in with that Lucid shade and just kind of set that right on top of the liquid. And now it's just very reflective and very shiny and just what I wanted. And then using this brush is what I use for my lower lash line a lot. I am going to go in with this shade right here from the Juvia's Place palette. And I'm going to throw that on the lower lash line. And then using that same brush, I'm going to dip into the shimmery side of that. And I'm going to throw that right just in the center of that. Whew, it's in my head. And then the same brush, I'm going to use the shade 12. I'm going to throw that on the outer corner of that. To make sure that that lower lash line is all blended out, and using that M505 brush by Morphe that we used for that purple shade. I'm going to dip back into the purple, and this time I'm going to tap it off. I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, so now I'm just going to throw on a white liner in my waterline and throw on some mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have that white liner in my waterline and I threw on that mascara. Holy space balls. Wow. I love this. I love this eye look. Alright, and then just to be super extra and just for fun, I threw on this NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Run the World. Yes. Alright, so that is it for this video. I love the outcome of what just happened. I just drew a blank. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next or what you think about this look. And then don't forget to subscribe so then you can see all the videos that I have coming to you soon, which may be fun ones like this, or I don't know, whatever you guys want to see. What do y'all want to see? I'll make a video of it and I'll share it for you. But yeah, I will catch you all in my next video. Peace out, party people.